In this walking, it could be a difficulty that you sense that your partner gets like in front of you and you cannot walk. So in order to do that, we will do it in this way. When we walk, we will go straight that direction. So you will see clearly that Mimi is on that side and I am on this side. And then we will do it coming back so you see that we are in different sides of the dance floor. Same from the other direction. I place my partner on that side. That's the important thing. How you place your body and with your torso, you keep your partner on the inside of the dance floor. If I turn the torso, she will get on my way. I have to place her on the inside. Try that. You will see it becomes easier to walk on the close side of the embrace. If she is on that side, you will find the space. But if she is in front of you, you won't find the space. Now I will do it with the sacada. One more time, that direction, so you see. It helps me to find a space that I keep her from the line that is our displacement on my left. I am on this side. She's on my left. You will see that having that placement, you always will see the space on your left side. So let's try one more time.